Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to solve this sum in machine drawing. So first we'll start with the axis line. So we'll mark this point O and we'll go down by 54. Then we'll draw a horizontal line. Now they've given 90. So I'll take 45, 45. Let's say this is point Q and this is point P. So I will write P and Q. Now we'll take radius 12.5. Because diameter is 25, so we'll take radius 12.5 and we'll draw two circles from P and Q. This is diameter 32. So we'll take radius 16 and we'll draw this circle. After that, this inner circle 1, 2, 3, diameter 16, so radius 8. So I can draw that. Now if you see, this outer circle is diameter 50, so we'll take radius 25. Now see, there are 6 circles. So you draw 60, 60. Because 360 divided by 6 would be how much? 60. So we need to take 60, 60 degree between all these circles. So I have divided circle into how many parts? 6 parts. Because we need to draw 6 circles. If there are 8 parts, then we'll divide circle into 8 parts. Now from all those points, I can take radius 7. Then you can draw remaining circle dark like this. Then I'll draw vertical line. See this. Now we need to draw radius 13. It's an external circle. So from here, see, from Q I will cut how much? 12.5, diameter 25. So 12.5 plus 13. So it will be 25.5. And you need to draw a parallel line of 13 from this line. See this. So I will take 13 in my compass. Anywhere I will keep and I will draw 2 arcs. Then I'll draw a vertical line. Then you'll take radius 25.5 and from Q you cut on this side. Then you'll take radius 13. We'll keep it over here and we'll draw arc. So we are done with radius 13. So remember that radius 13 is an external circle. So in external circle we add. So that's why from Q I took 12.5 plus 13, which is 25.5 and parallel line. The same thing we will repeat on the other side. Again we'll draw parallel line. See this. So for taking parallel line you can take 2 curves anywhere. 2 to 3 curves anywhere. And follow the same procedure. From P also you do the same thing. 25.5. Now if you see radius 82, right? This radius 82 is touching which 2 circles? They are touching these 2 circles. See this. This way. So these 2 circles are internal. Diameter 25. So what I need to do? From P I need to cut 82 minus 12.5. And from Q I need to cut 82 minus 12.5. It is 69.5. So you take 69.5 from both the sides P and Q, and from there you draw curve 82. So you cut from P and Q, you cut 69.5, and wherever it will cut from there you could draw radius 82. After that you go up by 12.5 on this line and you can draw radius 12.5. Then you take inner circle of diameter 16. Now we need to draw this diameter 7. There are 6 circles of diameter 7. Now remember one thing, you can draw this circle with pro circle as well. And if you don't have a pro circle, then you can do it with rounder, but it will take some time because those diameters are very small. You need to do it carefully. Thank you.